everyone, I'm Brooks. Today I would like to introduce how to select the KINGSAT VSAT model. You can see here, all is our KINGSAT Maritime VSAT antenna. We have two series. One series we call L series. It's for the Ka band, the LEO and GEO tracking antenna. In front of us, this is the L series. We have the L7Ka 75 cm model. And this one is L6Ka, is 60 cm for the Ka band. Okay, behind me, all this model is our Ku band model. Okay, we have different size and different specification. Here, I would like to introduce how to make the selection guide for you. Let's go ahead. For the selection guide, the first point we need to understand one word, EIRP. So for this EIRP, you can go to the website SatStart or satbin.com to check. This is the satellite footprint. From this footprint map, you can understand, you can select the different size of the antenna. For example, our P6, okay, is the 64 centimeter. The EIRP more than 45 dB. This area, you can select our 64 centimeter. And for the PA is 85 centimeter. You can select the area which one is EIRP more than 43 dB. Okay, let's get some example for you. Here is one map. Okay, for the Eutelsat 21 East. Okay, you can check this map. Okay, let us remember for the P6 EIRP should be more than 45 dB, and for the P6 is more than 43 dB. Okay, you can check this area. For example, right now, if my location is in Egypt, you can see only part of it is more than 46. So mostly you can see if you are in Egypt, you cannot use P6. Better you need to use the PA. Okay. For example, if you are in Dubai, okay, both sides, okay, P6 and PA for you is okay. So for the PA, you can see more than 43 dB area you can use. So this is the example. Now we explain one feature function of KINGSAT Maritime antenna. It's the built-in GEO. If you have some experience of other brand maritime VSAT antenna, you know their antenna you need to connect the external ship GEO with the MMEA interface like MMEA 2000. For KINGSAT antenna, we have two versions. This version is free GEO version. This one is the built-in GEO version. Okay. Our antenna, the benefit for our KINGSAT antenna, we don't need the external ship GEO. And when you make the installation, it's very easy. Just put the antenna on the board and securing the screw and then finish. And what's the difference between these two versions? The first one, this one free GEO. It will take about 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes for the blind search and then finish the tracking. And for this one, okay, it only takes about 30 seconds for the tracking. So the benefit for the built-in GEO version, because it already get the ship GEO directly from this dual GPS antenna. So and another, the second benefit is this dual GPS. Well, when you have this module, okay, if the antenna already have the blockage with the signal, so the recovery time about 30 seconds. But this one, the recovery time about 2 minutes. So we highly recommend you select this model. This model we call the P6E or PAE. E means enhance. Enhance is our built-in dual GPS model as the ship GEO. And with this one, if your budget is limited, okay, you can consider this model. Also working very good, but only take time for the tracking. So if you want to know more detail about our antenna, you can ask our team. Now we explain the two design. This one is a rotary joint design, and this one is the twisty cable design for the mechanical part. Okay, let's focus here. This one is a rotary joint design for the AZ. Okay, you can see AZ, it's unlimited. Okay, when you're moving this antenna, it's unlimited. And you can see it combines the two parts. One is the RF rotary joint, another is the slick ring from the electric signal. So this is for our rotary joint design. And this one is the twisty cable design. You can see for this twisty cable design, we are using this twisty cable to pass the signal. And you can see it only for the AZ moving, normally only 2 circles. Okay, you can see when you rotate it 2 circles, okay, it will touch the limited trigger. And then reverse the direction, 1 circle, 2 circle. Okay, exactly the degree is 960, 690. Okay, and let's check the compare these two antenna, these two versions, the benefit and disadvantage. Okay, and for this one, it's costly. Okay, for the rotary joint and this slick ring, okay, it's a high cost. And this one, okay, it's without cost because it's direct cable. And this is the first point. The second point, I think most people, they cannot understand. Actually, for rotary joint, it will bring another disadvantage. This one is the injection loss. It will have 1 to 1.5 dB for the loss for the L band, okay? But this one you can see, okay, it's direct connection without loss. And also the last one, for this one, okay, if the rotary joint, okay, get defective, it's not easy to repair or replace it, okay? But this one is easy, okay, it's easy. So you need to understand these two different designs. And then you can select the suitable design for you. For the BUC part, our standard specification for our 64 centimeter, the standard spec is 6 watts. And for this 85 centimeter, our standard BUC is the 8 watts. Both our default brand is NJRC. But if some customer, they have a different requirement, we also can match their requirement. We can load this different BUC from the 4 watts to 25 watts without any problem. So different brand and different specification. Now here you can check our ACU. Our ACU design is the standard 90-inch rack design. Here is the modem. So this is the standard design for these two equipment. And if we take off the cover of our ACU, you can see we already built in one switch inside our ACU. So we extended the Ethernet port with our ACU main board. So this is the standard design. And we have one optional for the built-in version. We can build in the modem for our customer. This is the built-in X5 modem, iDirect X5 modem. Also, we can build in other brand modem, depend on the customer requirement. So you can see we built in this one. Our ACU mainboard can directly read the modem status. So this is very good benefit for our customer to management different of a customer. So it's very easy for them. Based on the above explanation, okay, right now I would like to recommend the KINGSAT VSAT model for you. For global network, we highly recommend this P8E for you or P8 plus E. It's built in dual GPS at the Geo, and also this one, okay, it's very stable. Okay, it's very stable for the tracking. And for the 64 centimeter, we highly recommend this model. Also built in Geo, it's the P6E. Okay, built in Geo, okay, with the twisty cable. Because with this twisty cable, you can reduce the cost, and also for the lifetime, it will remain a long time. So this is our recommendation for you.